Good morning, dear students. Unit exercise 1, question number 10. First one. F of x is equal to 2x plus 1 divided by x minus 9. What are you asked to find? Find the domain. Domain of this. Domain means what? For what values of x this fraction exists? For what values of x this fraction does exist? Similarly, for what values of x this fraction exists in P of x? For what values of x this square root exists? H of x, this expression exists. So that is domain. So suppose here denominator is there x minus 9. If I put x is equal to 9, x is equal to 9, denominator becomes 0. So anything by 0 is not defined. So the fraction is not defined when x is equal to 9. So first one I will write like this. When x is equal to 9, f of x is not defined. Undefined, it is not defined, infinity. Therefore, this x can take all the other values except 9. All the values from the real numbers except 9. Therefore, here we can write domain is equal to all real numbers, R stands for real numbers, except the value 9. When you give x is equal to 9, this does not exist. Come to the second one. What is that? P of x is equal to minus 5 divided by 4x square plus 1. Here also the same case. Denominator should not equal to 0. Denominator should not be equal to 0. 4x square plus 1 should not be equal to 0. But can you make this denominator equal to 0 for some value of x? Here x square is there. X square. Whether you give positive value for x or negative value for x, because x square is there, this will be always positive. So you cannot make the denominator 0 for any value of x. You cannot make. Therefore, any value you can give. Because we cannot make the denominator 0 for some value of x. So this is fully the real numbers. Domain, any values you can give. So domain is the set of all real numbers. R stands for real numbers. All the values you can give. No values of x can make this denominator 0. Okay. Now, third one. G of x is square root of x minus 2. I told you inside the square root, we should not get any negative numbers. We should not get any negative numbers. Okay. Suppose this x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. This becomes 0. Square root of 0 is 0. We have a value. Okay, 0. So x can be 2. X can be 2. 2 means 2 minus 2, 0. Your value is there. Suppose x is less than 2. Less than 2 means 1. 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Square root of minus 1? We do not know. I told you already, square root of a negative value. Okay, it is imaginary. There is no such number exists. So less than 2 means does not exist. So you can give from 2. Can you give 3? Yes, 3 minus 2 is 1. Yes, 1 square root you can find out. Can you give 4? 4 minus 2 is 2. Square root of 2 is there. So 2 and more than 2 you can give for this square root 2 exists. Therefore here domain is equal to, you cannot give less than 2. So domain is equal to, from 2 onwards, from 2 to infinity, you can give 2 to infinity. It should not come less. So this 2, this is okay, close to bracket, and this is open bracket. Closed. Closed means here you can include 2. Infinity, we do not know what is infinity. So we are not taking that. Okay. 2 to infinity. 2 to infinity, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. Any values. From 2 to infinity you can take for domain. Fourth one. For all the values of x, this expression exists. You put x is equal to 1, 1 plus 6, you get another value 7. You cannot make this infinity or not defined like that. No denominator is there. So, whatever you can give for x, that expression exists. So, here the domain is, here also the set of all real numbers. Any real number you can give for x. So, domain. Thank you.